Good day everyone! Welcome to Project M-Squared. I am Sir JC, your guide in making math easy. For today's video lesson, I will help you evaluate series of operations involving permutation and combination. To start this video lesson, let us start with our learning objectives for this day. At the end of this video, you shall be able to evaluate series of operations involving permutations and combinations correctly. To continue, let's try to evaluate the following. Number 1, 4 multiplied by permutation of 5 taken 2. Number 2, permutation of 6 taken 3 is added to the product of 6 and 3. Number 3, negative 5 plus combination of 10 taken 3. Number 4, 2 multiplied by combination of 5 taken 2 subtracted by 10. And lastly, combination of 10 taken 5 is divided by 2. If you know how to evaluate the following, you can pause this video and try it on your own. When we are dealing with multiple operations or a series of operations involving permutation and combination, we should follow the correct order of operations. The rules of Gendas and left to right must be followed correctly. For example, number 1, the given was 4 multiplied by permutation of 5 taken 2. The way how we read this problem gives us the idea what is to be done first. We must evaluate the value of permutation of 5 taken 2 and multiply it by 4. By evaluation, we know that permutation of 5 taken 2 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. But we can simplify this expression as 5 multiplied by 4 because we know that the value of r can be understood as the number of integers less than or equal to n to be used as factors. So our value of r in permutation of 5 taken 2 is 2. We know we will use 2 integers less than or equal to 5 to be used as factors, and they are 5 and 4. Simply, permutation of 5 taken 2 is equal to 20. If you have questions regarding this trick, please watch my video entitled Permutations. So we have now the value of permutation of 5 taken 2 as 20. So we will now multiply 4 by the evaluated value of permutation of 5 taken 2, which is 20. So the product of 4 and 20 is equal to 80. Therefore, the product of 4 and permutation of 5 taken 2 is equal to 80. For number 2, the given was permutation of 6 taken 3 added by the product of 6 and 3. So given the operations, we need to evaluate first the product of 6 and 3. And we know the product of 6 and 3 is 18. This 18 must be added to the evaluated value of permutation of 6 taken 3. So by definition, permutation of 6 taken 3 is equal to 6 factorial divided by the quantity of 6 minus 3 factorial. Then that is to be added by 18. So by shortcut, permutation of 6 taken 3, we know that it is 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. So Permutation of 6 taken 3 when evaluated, the answer is 6 times 5 is 30 times 4 is 120. So this 6 factorial divided by the quantity of 6 minus 3 factorial is the same as 120. Then, that is to be added by 18. 120 plus 18 is 138. So our answer in permutation of 6 taken 3 added by the product of 6 and 3 is equal to 138. Number 3. The given was negative 5 plus combination of 10 taken 3. So we need to find what is the value of combination of 10 taken 3 before adding to negative 5. So we know that combination of 10 taken 3, by definition, it is the same as permutation of 10 taken 3 divided by 3 factorial. This follows a definition of combination of n taken r is equal to permutation of n taken r divided by r factorial. By further evaluation, we will know that combination of 10 taken 3 is just the same as 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 divided by 3 factorial. And we know that 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. By finding common factors in the numerator and the denominator, we can simplify further this combination of 10 taken 3. The greatest common factor of 9 and 3 is 3. Dividing it by its GCF, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. The greatest common factor of 8 and 2 is 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we can simplify combination of 10 taken 3 as 10 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 1. So, combination of 10 taken 3 is equal to 10 times 3 is 30 times 4 is equal to 120. So, we already know what's the value of combination of 10 taken 3. And that is to be added to negative 5. So, that is negative 5 plus 120, that is equal to 115. Therefore, the sum of negative 5 and combination of 10 taken 3 is equal to 115. Number 4. 2 is multiplied by the combination of 5 taken 2 subtracted by 10. Enable for us to evaluate this correctly, we need to evaluate what is the product of 2 and the value of combination of 5 taken 2. And whatever the result of that operation, we will subtract it by 10. So we need to find what is the value of combination of 5 taken 2 first, then multiply it by 2. Combination of 5 taken 2 is equal to the permutation of 5 taken 2 divided by 2 factorial. So by further evaluation, permutation of 5 taken 2 is the same as 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. Finding the common factors in the numerator and the denominator, we can simplify this as 10. Then this value of combination of 5 taken 2 is to be multiplied by 2. That is 2 times 10 subtracted by 10. Again, we need to find the product of 2 and 10 first, then subtract it by 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20 subtracted by 10. The result is 10. So therefore, the product of 2 and combination of 5 taken 2 subtracted by 10 is equal to 10. Number 5. The given was combination of 10 taken 5 divided by 2. So we need to evaluate first what is combination of 10 taken 5 and divide the value by 2. So we need to evaluate first combination of 10 taken 5. By identity, combination of 10 taken 5, that is the same as permutation of 10 taken 5 divided by 5 factorial. Permutation of 10 taken 5 is the same as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. We use 5 factors less than or equal to 10 divided by 5 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Finding common factors in the numerator and denominator, this will become So by finding common factors in the numerator and denominator, combination of 10 taken 5 becomes 2 times 3 times 2 times 7 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 7 is 84, times 3 is equal to 252. Therefore, combination of 10 taken 5 is equal to 252. By substitution, combination of 10 taken 5 is equal to 252. That is to be divided by 2. 252 divided by 2 is equal to 126. Therefore, combination of 10 taken 5 divided by 2 is equal to 126.
Did you get all the answers correctly? If so, great job! I hope you learned something from this video. Again, this is Sir JC, reminding you, math is easy when you perceive it positively.